Wagwan, you know see say Clark place, girl don't come in on my place if you're not beat. Make sure you on your arm shave.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about my little Walmart run that I made to go get some smoothie ingredients. This week I'm focusing on detoxing my system, so I'm making smoothies all week. In this video I'm going to show you guys 2 of my favorite smoothie recipes, so keep on watching. So one of the things I miss about living in New York is how I could go to the Korean store, get all my lemons and limes and stuff like that at a good price, and they actually look a lot better. So it looks as though they ran out of the spinach that I usually get, the big bag. So I'm gonna get 2 of these fresh spinach in the bag for my green smoothies. For my bananas, I usually like getting ones that look a little bit smaller versus these big ones. I don't know, smaller bananas just always been better, I think, because when they're a little bit too big, it's like I feel like they just modified them. Like, so this bunch right here looks good, so I'm about to get this. And I'm also gonna get a bunch that doesn't look too ripe, because I don't want everything to get ripe and go bad. So I'm gonna also get these. So the other day I came, they kind of was cleaned out the fruits, which they kind of still are, but they still have some whole strawberries that I like, so I'm gonna get these. I'm gonna also get some blueberries. For my base, I usually like the Goya mango nectar, so I'm about to get 2 of these. I love grabbing stuff from like the middle or the back, so that's what my short butt is kind of trying to reach. Coconut water is good too as a base, but I'm not in the mood for that. And all they have is passion fruit. I would have got some pineapple, but don't look like they have any, so the mango nectar it is. I'm back home and I'm just gonna show you guys really quickly the stuff that I ended up getting. So I got some strawberries. These are the whole strawberries. I got 2 packs of those. Then I got 1 pack of the blueberries. I have 2 bags of this fresh spinach. And my bananas that I showed you guys earlier, this bunch is fully ripe, and then this one have some green to it. I got my lemons and limes here. I ended up picking up some ginger as well. Ginger is really good in smoothies, especially green smoothies, so I'm definitely gonna add this for some added like detox benefits and stuff like that. And then I didn't bother grabbing the mango chunks because I do have some mango chunks left over that was in the freezer. So this is the mango chunks that I usually get as well now that I moved. When I was in New York, I used to get like, I think it was Dole. That was the brand that I used to get. But now that I'm here, I'm just going to grab whatever it is that I can find. And then I got these mango nectars. I got 3 of them. Since I'm gonna be drinking smoothies all week, I figured that I needed to get more than 2, so I got 3 of them. And then I got these bottles. They were only $1 in Walmart, so I picked up 3 of them. So I'm just gonna fill these daily. I think that 3 smoothies a day is gonna be really good. So it's basically gonna be breakfast, lunch, and dinner for me. I do love my food, and I do get hungry a lot really fast, and then I get into a really grumpy mood when I'm hungry. But I think that this will suffice for this week. I'm gonna show you guys how I make a smoothie really quickly, and then I'm gonna go for my jog and kind of get started on this whole journey of working out and kind of getting in better shape, and you know. And just a FYI, when you guys go grocery shopping, no matter if you pick up stuff that's like out of a bag, stuff that's just being touched like all the time, like limes and lemons, always wash them. But when you pick up stuff like this, stuff that's like closed in a bag as well, make sure that you wash it. You do not know how many hands touch these things on a daily basis and put them back. You don't know if somebody was digging in their butt. You don't know if somebody was picking their nose. The mango juice, I just washed all of them and dried them with paper towels. I just washed these and dried them with paper towels. Now I'm gonna move on to my lemons and limes, and I'm gonna wash these with some soap. Yes, soap, and dry them like I ain't playing. And there we have our finished strawberry banana smoothie. Nice, creamy, just how I like it.